Hello everyone, welcome to next session. So in this session we will understand how to install or set up WireMock remote standalone instance on the EC2 remote Windows machine which we have created in our previous session. So I will go to the remote machine now. So this is the remote machine, and so the first most important thing to note here is to run the WireMock standalone server. We need a WireMock jar, right? And to run that WireMock standalone jar, you need Java, right? So Java should be installed on the system. So currently there is nothing installed here. So we will first install the JDK. We'll install the Java. We'll go to Java downloads, and we can install any latest version. It will work. Just don't go below GRE 8. So I will install for Windows. So Windows, let's install this one. So once you have downloaded this, you can install the JDK, and then we will download the standalone WireMock jar to run it. So now the installer has started. Now just need to click on next, and it will take few seconds to complete the JDK installation. Okay, so Java is successfully installed. So now let's do one thing. Let's close this and check if we have the Java installed or not. Simply launch command prompt, click on Java version. Yeah, so as you can see, Java is now installed, right? The latest version which we have installed. So now let's do one thing. Now we will download the WireMock standalone jar. So this is the same process we did earlier. We'll download the standalone jar and then we will run it. So we'll click on keep. Let's go to downloads. Now, so we have the standalone jar here. So let's remove this. This is not required. So now let's see if this is working or not. So now we will start the WireMock standalone server. Open the PowerShell window, or you can open the command prompt. See Java -jar, jar WireMock standalone, and we'll simply start this and let's see if it is working or not. So now the WireMock server has started on port 8080. Please note this is now working on port 8080 and server, that is Windows remote machine, this one, right? So that's how the remote WireMock instance is set up. Now next we will what we will discuss in the next session is we will understand how to access this instance from local machine, from the local host, right? Because this machine we will only be using to host the WireMock server, but all the work will be done on the local machine, whether you are using Java API or you are using the admin API, right?